Jordan 11 Cherry restocks. I want to start this off with a question for you guys. If you guys copped the Jordan 11 Cherry, put a bunch of fire emojis. If you did not cop, put a bunch of trash emojis down below in the comments. I want to see who copped the Air Jordan 11 Cherry and who didn't. Lost and found Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, that you followed me, followed Saucy Souls over on Instagram, and you subscribe to my channel. Those links are down below in the description. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. This giveaway ends at the end of the month. I'll be picking the winner around New Year's, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. Good luck. And please make sure you guys watch out for scammers. There are scammers out there pretending to be me, say they work for me, all this crazy nonsense. Please make sure you guys watch out, check the accounts, and see that it's actually not me. Make sure you guys check the account and do not get scammed. I have a package here from Champions Kicks. Champions Kicks is a place that you guys can go cop sneakers for under market value. You can keep these sneakers or resell them and make some money. Champions Kicks is a monthly subscription service. You guys pay a small monthly fee and get access to exclusive deals. These deals drop every other week, every other Sunday. They always have restocks, a ton of pairs. You have a great chance of copying these great deals and steals at amazing prices, and you can resell them like I said. So right here, we have a pair that they sent over. Oh, we got the receipts. Some pairs do come with receipts. We do have a pair of Panda Dunks. They do have Pandas on there for like basically retail, which is a great price. You guys can flip them, make some money, or go ahead and keep them. Panda Dunks, you can't go wrong. They have a ton of shoes every other Sunday on their restocks. The prices are great. You really can't beat it. And it's deals and steals you're not going to find anywhere else. So make sure you guys check out Champions Kicks with my link down below in the description. They have deals, steals. You pay that small monthly fee and you get access to great deals on hype sneakers. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you, Champions Kicks, for sponsoring today's video. If you're gonna wear your Jordan 11 Cherries, listen up. This is for you. When you wear your Jordan 11s, the icy outsole gets yellow, disgusting, dirty, very, very quickly. I highly recommend putting on Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of your Jordan 11s to prevent that and keep the icy outsole actually icy and not get yellow and dirty and disgusting. Drip Grip has the best sole protectors on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. So you put this on to the bottom of your sneaker, wear them, peel them off, and then the bottom will look brand new as if you never wore them. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description and check out Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market, and use my discount code Danny10 for 10% off your order. We have to talk about the Air Jordan 11 Cherry restocks, late shipments, how you guys can still possibly get your hands on a pair for retail even after they sell out. Release day, there's hype, there's demand. It's the Jordan 11. Of course, people want their Jordan 11s for the holiday season. So there are restocks, late shipments going on when it comes to these Jordan 11s. Grade school, we're gonna get out of the way very quickly. Grade school, you can probably go to your local store and possibly still see them. They are sitting in grade school. There's not much resale. There's no resale on grade school. So, hey, if you need a grade school pair, check your local stores. While you're there, be sure to check for men's pairs, because I know some people today's Monday, some people were able to cop pairs today just by going into the store. I do not recommend calling because they will and can lie to you over the phone. Hey, in person, you'll see them sitting at stores. They possibly might be there this week This week, they will be in stores. Next week, possibly some late shipments as well. Some stores didn't get enough pairs. They're missing pairs. So hey, late shipments are going to be a thing like they have been all year, but especially here with the most hyped sneaker, one of the most hyped sneakers all year long, especially during the holidays here in December. So hey, if you need a pair, make sure you guys don't sleep and check your stores. Go in store. In store is where you have a good chance of actually copping for retail. They could be sitting there in certain sizes. Hey, you might even get the last pair in your size. So make sure you guys go to your stores this week. If you can, pop in, see if any pairs are actually sitting on shelves, and you can go ahead and cop. Now, online is going to be a little bit tougher, actually a lot tougher. Bots are eating up pairs. It happens on every website, the sneakers app, everywhere. Bots are eating up pairs, especially in the men's sizes. They want them. People want their Jordan 11s for the holiday. The demand is there. Resell is not crazy. It's at like $270 right now, $280 a pair, which is not too much over retail plus tax plus shipping. I will say this. It's a good pair of sneakers. It's a good Jordan 11. I think a lot of people do want them. The demand is there. The hype is there. It does seem like there wasn't as much pairs of the Cherry 11s like there was the Cool Gray 11s. I think there was definitely a lot more Cool Grays, but there was also a lot more demand on Cool Gray 11s. So hey, if you need Cherry 11s, check your stores. That's the best bet. Hey, you might find a pair sitting. They might have pairs in the back. They might get some late shipments in. You never know. Check your local stores. When it comes to online, it's going to be tough with bots. They will have restocks. We will see restocks happen. Hey, guys, we will see a Jordan Reserve. We don't know when we're going to see the Jordan Reserve, but we will see one. Hopefully this year to close off the year. If not, I think we will get it early in 2023. And we should see more pairs of the Cherry 11s, of course, with everyone's favorite, the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Don't forget to enter in my free giveaway for the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. If you're thinking about paying resale on those Cherry 11s, I would wait. I would wait, see if you can get them for retail, go in store. Don't be lazy about it. If you truly want a pair, put in the footwork if you can. If you're able to go in store, I know you guys have lives, work, and other things going on, but if you're able to go in store, I highly recommend it and seeing if any pairs are there. People did not pick up their pairs, believe it or not. I'm sure some people did not pick up pairs for whatever reason. So hey, you do have a decent chance of copying, and don't forget about those late shipments like they've been going on all year in 2022, actually for the past few years. Jordan 11 Cherry restocks, they will be happening. We will get some restocks. We will get late shipments. Be on the lookout. Don't pay resale yet. Be patient when it comes to paying resale on the Cherry 11s if you can. Hey, if you need them for the holidays, you need them for a gift, I get it. You got to spend the money, do what you got to do. But if you can wait, I highly suggest waiting. I think resale is going to go down next year a little bit in the beginning of the year. January, we'll see them at like $250. So if you can wait for the Jordan 11 Cherry restocks, and good luck on copping because this is a very hype, in-demand sneaker to end off 2022. I'm excited for 2023 and what Jordan 11 we get next year. Hopefully it's the Columbias. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think it's gonna be. Jordan 11 Cherry restocks, late shipments, they are coming. Make sure you guys be patient and wait for the Jordan 11 Cherry. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I am uploading almost every day here in December. And make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys follow me and Saucy Souls over on Instagram. Those links are down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 11 Cherry is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.